Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the bedtime reminder in the Headspace application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the notifications button. And then click on the bedtime reminders button. And within this section, look for the bedtime reminder button. And if you want to edit the time, just click on the edit button at the top of the page on the right, and then click on the bedtime reminder button, and here you can set your optimal bedtime. And once you did that, the function automatically turns on. So if the button is green, then it means that the function is on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.